Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we're taking a deep and exciting look at one of BMW's most stylish roadsters, the BMW Z4 finished in the stunning sunset orange color. This is one of those shades that brings the car to life with its warm, glowing, metallic tone that looks fiery under the sun and bold at night. If you're thinking about getting a sporty convertible or you simply love beautiful performance cars, stay with me till the end as we break down everything from the exterior and interior to the driving experience, pricing, and final suggestions. And before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. The moment you see the BMW Z4 from the front, the design instantly communicates speed and confidence. The wide kidney grilles are redesigned with a modern mesh pattern that gives the car a more aggressive expression. The sharp, angular LED headlights sit low and stretch into the fenders, adding to the car's athletic stance. The long, sculpted hood enhances the classic roadster proportions, and in the sunset orange finish, every curve and body contour appears brighter and more energetic. It's a color that makes the Z4 look like a sports car ready to leap forward at any moment. Moving to the back, the Z4 continues to impress with its sleek, minimalistic rear styling. The LED taillights are thin and stretched, giving the car a wide, planted look. The integrated spoiler adds subtle sportiness without overpowering the clean design. The dual exhaust outlets at the bottom further enhance the performance character, giving the rear a balanced, aggressive feel. When the sunlight hits the sunset orange paint, it highlights the sharp edges and smooth curves of the rear design, making the Z4 one of the most eye-catching convertibles in its class. Inside the cabin, the BMW Z4 offers a sporty yet premium environment. The seating position is low and driver-focused, giving you that classic roadster feel. High-quality leather seats provide great support, and the stitching details add a touch of luxury. The digital instrument cluster presents clear information, while the infotainment screen is sharp and intuitive thanks to BMW's iDrive system. The dashboard layout is clean with metallic trims and soft-touch materials, and the controls are well placed for easy access. Even though it's a compact roadster, the Z4 feels surprisingly comfortable inside with enough space for everyday usability. The roof opens and closes quickly, letting you switch between open-air freedom and quiet comfort within seconds. Under the hood, the BMW Z4 offers strong performance with turbocharged engines that deliver quick acceleration and smooth power delivery. The steering is sharp, the handling is precise, and the car grips the road with confidence thanks to its rear-wheel drive setup. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through twisty roads, the Z4 feels balanced, energetic, and engaging. The suspension is sporty but still comfortable enough for daily driving, making this car an excellent combination of fun and practicality. When it comes to pricing in the USA, the BMW Z4 generally starts in the mid-$50,000 range and can go into the $60,000s depending on the engine and additional packages. For a premium roadster with advanced technology, strong performance, and BMW's build quality, the price feels well aligned with what the car delivers. If you're someone who loves driving, values style, and wants a convertible that feels special every time you sit behind the wheel, the BMW Z4 in sunset orange is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for solo road trips, weekend excitement, or simply enjoying the feeling of open-air performance with an eye-catching design. Thanks for watching this full in-depth review of the BMW Z4 Sunset Orange. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews. I'll see you in the next video.